Hello, new video coming up here. Today I'm going to test, can you make a short movie with your Oneplus 6? Is the sound good so you can use the internal, or do you have to have a extra mic? So I will now stand in the sound there, so I will make one picture with 1080 60 and one 4K 60, and then you're going to see the detail level, if it's worth making the 4K or not. So I'm back in 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the first test. Now I'm standing here and this is 1080 60, and we see if the sound is weird. So this is the 1080 side. We can hear a lot of water around, so I'm trying to split me from the half so you see the detail level. So yeah, is it worth it? And now we're indoors. I'm doing the same comparison. This side 4K, and soon this is going to be 1080. So I'm standing here, you can watch my hand, and it's 4K 60. I'm trying again.